Hello. So today's video is about how to draw different kind of footwear. Now, many a times, many students ask me, "Ma'am, how important it is to draw footwear, fingers, different kind of hairstyle, accessories?" And I always say that yeah, as a designer, of course, dress is important, but shoes, accessory, different kind of hairstyle adds to the whole persona of your dress. So for me, I would always ask you all to go for the details, add as much thing possible. So when you're learning shoes, how to draw footwear, there are two important things. First, the heel, and second, the front part. Okay. So first, let me teach you all the different kind of heels. So let's say the simplest one, the Paris heels, right? Then you have like a platform thingy. We call it as a wedge heels. So it's a complete platform. It's a complete block. So it's called as wedges. Okay. Then not very high, a very simpler one, a smaller one. They are called as kittens. Okay. So just check out how these heels are done. They are called as kittens. So there are many different kind of heels. I'll show you all the basic one. Then coming to a very long one, the pencil heels, the stilettos. Now understand, longer the heel, especially if it goes more than 4 inches or 5 inches, you always have a platform for the front part of it. So it's divided. How wedges is complete, the stilettos would have a pointed heel and a platform in the front. Okay, so that goes for you. It's also called as pencil heels. So the long stilettos. Then the flats, your regular flip-flops. So that's how your flats would look like. It's got very small heel, just a inch or so, and that goes for your flat heels. And the last one, your sneakers. How you have your sneakers, they're a complete heel, and they have this zigzag thingy, your Timberland kinds. Yeah, so these are your zigzag heels. Now, of course, there are many, but right now I'm just showing few of them. So this goes for your sneakers kind of heels, your zigzag. Okay, so almost 6 heels I've shown you. These are the classification for the heels. Okay, now coming to the front part, the upper part, which is seen. So let's start with the simplest one. Most of the designers, most of the students I've seen, they when they draw, they do these. They're your pumps. Okay, now the heels again could be long, big one, or it could be a short heel. But this is the simple, the most basic heels or the shoes, footwear. Okay, so this is done. Then let me do an open toe or a peep toes. So peep toes could be wherein the toes are seen. So it's not covered from the front part. So that's your peep toes. Now again, you have as many variations in that. So the whole concept is that the front part is open. Now it could be, anything, but just that the front open, the front toes are seen. So it's called as peep toes. I'm showing you the toes. Okay. Then coming to, let me do a strappy one. Yeah. So this would be my, again, if it's strappy, of course my toes are going to be seen. Now with the strappy, you can have just a regular sandals. You can have straps going as high as your knee. So it could be like a gladiators. So anything. Now understand how I'm overlapping it and how it looks as if it's coming from behind. So give that molding kind of effect. Don't make it very flat. Now again, uh, if possible, add as much details as required. You can add, many times it's with zipper, you can add a zipper, you can have a tie up thingy, you have those tassels. So as much detail you can add, it's good. Again, the toe is seen, giving these straps. So that's how your gladiators would look like. Okay, now, yeah, the anklets. Now anklets are those ankle high boots. Again, there are different styling done to it. Basically, any boots which are going slightly high to the ankle. Now again, the heels could be the wedges also. It could be the blocks also. So anything. They usually they could be with zipper. They could be with the strings or anything. I'll be uploading many videos uh, regarding fingers, regarding different kind of hairstyles. So please subscribe. I don't want you all to miss out on any of my videos. I'll be doing on watercolors, how to give the different kind of sleeves and different kind of necklines, and so subscribe to my channel. It will be helpful to you if you really want to learn fashion illustration. Okay, now this one are your sneakers, the front view. Okay, give your laces, crisscross them neatly. Yes. Again, this normally sneakers do not have heels, so I'm cutting off that part. Always give that tongue for the sneakers, and then adding the lace. Yeah. So this goes for your sneakers. Of course, as much detail import you can add. So I'm adding socks. So that goes for our sneakers. If you want to learn something, please write on a comment and I will try to make videos on that also. Now this video is especially for Sumit Verma. He asked me to do this one. Okay, now this one are your high heels, high boots. They look very trendy. Now again, understand, especially there would be slightly a crease line towards the ankle. Again, heel, the back part, the heel part, you can do it anything. It could be pointed heels, it could be wedges. That is completely your design. Adding a zipper. Yeah, so that goes for beautiful high boots. Okay, now I'll draw a buckle. Now understand, of course, when you're doing footwear in a croquis, basically you don't get more than an inch. Now, as much detail you can add into that. So within one, understand the size of that 1 inch is very, you cannot add too much of detail, but as much you can, it's better. So that goes for your buckle. And that's done. Okay, giving the leg. Also, I would want you all to hit the bell button, because next time when I'm uh, putting up a video, I don't want you all to miss the video. So hit the bell button, it will be good for you. And please comment, tell me how you're liking it. Okay, now these are your regular ballerinas. They are without your heel. It could be a flat thingy with a bow. So very simple, nice, cute ballerina, the most comfortable one. Yeah, so there wouldn't be a heel to it. So that goes for your ballerina with a bow. Now I'll show you how to draw a open feet. So that's how you'll draw the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giving the nail. Okay. Now, if I'm drawing a flip flop, so that's how it's gonna look. So if you're designing a beautiful summer dress, a nice florally thing, a right accessory would, will make your dress. It will add to the whole feel of it. And especially if you're a stylist, you should know how to do all the accessories, because if you're a designer, you're just concentrating only on the clothes. But if you're a stylist, you are, responsible for the whole look. So learn all those things. Okay. And these are my favorites. Yes. Okay, so this is done. I'll do one more with as much detailing. I'll show you one more time. Again, big pencil heels, giving the detailings of the toes, the toenails. Giving as much detailing. Lovely pencil heels. Giving the sole to it. And again, crisscross. Okay. Now, this is the mojeries. Now, if you understand, for the mojeri, the front part is protruding upward, right? So always draw that part also. Again, mojeries are flat, so won't have heels, and you can add some embroidery to it, or whatever design pattern you want, you can add to it. So that goes for your mojeri. Especially if you're doing menswear, you will need to learn how to draw mojeries. So we are done, and now I'll draw one more. So the kolhapuris. So it's very much like your flip-flops, but I'm just adding one more. So in this Ayo Kolhapuri, since I'm doing Indian, I said, let me do a Kolhapuri. I love them. Very comfortable. So these are your chappals, your Kolhapuri chappals or your regular chappals. Again, flats, so not much of heels. You have a toe holder for that and a string. Yes. So I've tried to complete as many different varieties. Of course, there are many, many, many more, but at least few, and you get an idea how to draw the footwear. Let me draw one last one, the bare feet. So the basic idea of drawing the. So please, I hope you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you.